How to tip in Uber Eats. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from The Solution Guy. In today's video, I'll simply show you the way as to how you can tip your delivery person in Uber Eats. So you simply want to make sure to watch the video till the end. Now you can use 3 tipping methods to do this before you place an order, after it has been delivered, and with your order history. Now to tip your Uber Eats delivery person before you place an order, what you have to do is open the Uber Eats app on your smartphone, then choose the restaurant you want to order the food from. Select the checkout when you're actually done. Once you tap on the checkout button, you will see this kind of interface. Over here, you have to tap on the place order button. As you place an order, continue to the rate section. As you can see, the option called rate order, and you can just tap on it and then select the option called add a tip. Once you tap on add a tip, either pick a preset tip amount or enter a custom tip amount. You can also skip this process, but if you want to do so, you can enter a custom amount and then select and continue it. So just tap the submit and continue button at the bottom of the screen. Now if you want to change how much you will tip, you have 1 hour after the delivery to do this. If you want to tip the Uber Eats service after the delivery, you can do this after you've rated the service, and furthermore, you have 7 days after the delivery date to tip your Uber Eats delivery person. That's all it takes to tip in Uber Eats. We hope the video was really helpful. If it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel, and if you've got any more questions, queries, or doubts, make sure to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.